In today's episode of Uncle Ron's Garage, me and Nick are going to mount a LED light bar on the front of a 2014 Grizzly Big Bear. What we have is our Tractor Supply Traveler 2160 lumen 7.25 light bar. There you go. Good look at it there. And I got the installation harness that goes with it, also by Traveler, also at Tractor Supply. And we're going to do a little video of basically Nick putting on the light bar and me recording it. So I know you can hear the lights in the background. They drive me nuts too. Not much I can do about it. Stick around, guys. This is going to be awesome. This is Nick. Hey Nick.
I am Nick.
And he is fixing to start the wiring. There's the wiring harness. This is where we're going to mount the light. Our on-off switch is going to be connected to that. There's just not much room. Now Nick is going to mount the relay with this bolt right here. Let's see how that works out. Now Nick's got that mounted. We got a bunch of extra wire. We're just going to kind of fold up underneath the speedometer here. Run our lead to the light underneath the rack. It looks like we're getting somewhere, guys. Got a bracket install going on. What we did, you saw earlier. We just literally just drilled 2 holes in the rack.
Nice and solid.
Nice and solid mount. That's going to work out really good here. These little connectors, they are spring loaded, so you can't pull it directly off the switch. I have to use a little pocket knife. Hit the little clip.
We didn't even break them before we figured that out.
Didn't even break them first. It was just amazing in its own right. We'll mount the switch on our little handlebar cover. Man, we're on our way to having some lights today.
Right in here.
Right in there. It's pretty close.
That's real close.
We did run our power to the light, just underneath the rack. Let's go close it that. Here, no big deal. Going down, and we're going to cut a notch in here. We'll run it. It's going to look super professional. Now it's time to hook up power cords to the battery. Just hooking the positive up first. Now the negative wire is being connected to the battery. Dude, this light's gonna be on in less than 5 minutes.
I mean, technically I should be able to turn it on now. It'll just be a matter of...
Alright, let's give her a test.
Ready?
No, it's not coming on. Just kidding. It's working. Dang, that thing hurts your eyes. Woo! Get a load of that, you too! Spotlight and deer! Now Nick's cutting through some plastic so that our wire goes through there real smooth.
Totally professional.
Yeah, we could do this for a living. Guys, that was pretty much our setup. Everything went real smooth. We didn't break anything. Kind of quick and easy, simple. Probably a 20-30 minute maybe setup. Let's take a quick look at our finished product and we'll be ready to make a video. There's our power button. There's the light. All the plastics back on old Grizzly. There's the light. Man, it looks like it came from the factory.